We are going to cover current affairs from 18th May to 24th May. Let us begin with a motivational quote. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Now we'll move with weekly quiz. First question: when was Rajiv Gandhi's date anniversary observed? The answer is May 21st. Next question: Andaman's rare palm, Pinanga andamanensis, has been replanted in which state to prevent its extinction? The answer is Kerala. Next question: who was the representative in Health Minister meet of NAM? The answer is Harshvardhan. International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on which date? The answer is 22nd May. Ashley Cooper passed away at 83. He was related to which sports? The answer is tennis. The next question: who is appointed as the Vice President and Chief Economist of World Bank? The answer is Carmen Reinhardt. Next question: who will soon take charge as the Chairman of WHO's Executive Board? The answer is Harshvardhan. Next question: Center launches scheme for 100% solarization scheme for which temple? The answer is Konark. Which scheme is extended for 3 years till March 31st, 2023? The answer is Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Which Senate has passed a bill to delist Chinese companies from stock exchange? The answer is USA. Oil India Limited has received environmental clearance for its exploration project beneath which national park? The answer is Dibru-Sekhowa National Park. The Tsai Ing-wen sworn in as the president of which nation? The answer is Taiwan. How many cities has got 5-star rating of garbage free cities list 2019-20 released by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? The answer is 6. Savita Kumari and Ankit Sisodiya is related to which sports? The answer is athlete. Who is the PM of Lesotho? The answer is Thomas Thabane. Who is appointed as the chairperson of NABARD? The answer is Govinda Rajulu. World Bees Day is celebrated on 20th May. Which state has launched Sukoon COVID-19 Beat the Strays? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which day is celebrated as the Anti-Terrorism Day in India? The answer is 21st May. Who represented India in 73rd meet of World Health Assembly? The answer is Harshvardhan. Which committee has suggested to build border infrastructure? The answer is Shekhar Committee. The Denmark-based scientist has discovered a new species of a parasitic fungus and its name after Twitter. Name the country which has developed I Feel You, an intelligent bracelet which will help user respect social distancing rule. The answer is Italy. Ratnakar Matkari passed away at 81. He was the Marathi writer. Samagra Shiksha program is started in which state or union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question: which country is going to launch new political map including India's Kalapani Lipulekh as its territory? The answer is Nepal. The river Uj is tributary of which river? The answer is Ravi. Benjamin Netanyahu is appointed as the PM of which country? The answer is Israel. Cyclone Amphan is hitting at which port? The answer is Odisha. Which state has launched the Charan Paduka campaign? The answer is MP. National Dengue Day is celebrated on 16th May. International Museum Day is celebrated on which date? The answer is 18th May. Which program is started for education under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? PM E-Vidya program. The central government has declared the One Nation ration card scheme completely to roll out in all union territories and states from March 2021. Which Indian state's education department has partnered with Doordarshan to provide school education to students of the state through video lectures? The answer is Jharkhand. Which northeast state celebrated Statehood Day on May 16th? The answer is Sikkim. Dayamar Bhasha Dam is constructed on which river? The answer is Indus. Which state has launched Rajiv Gandhi Nyay Yojana? The answer is Chhattisgarh. Who wrote the book Wuhan Diary Dispatches from a Quarantine City? The answer is Frank Fang. Who is appointed as the MD of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? Zubair Iqbal. India has resumed purchases of palm oil from which country? The answer is Malaysia. Which material is to be used for construction of rural roads? The answer is Coir Geotextiles. India has signed new protocol on inland water transit and trade with which country? The answer is Bangladesh. Which is the first 12,000 horsepower electric locomotive of Indian Railway? VAC 12. Which state has launched H1N1 vaccination campaign for healthcare workers? The answer is Haryana. Which is the first bank to introduce video KYC facility for savings account customers? The answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Who has won Toyota 500 Formula Race 2020? The answer is Denny Hamlin. India is to become chairman of which international organization executive board? The answer is WHO. Central Bureau of Investigation has warned against which malicious software threat? The answer is Cerberus. Who has released report synthetic drugs in East and South Asia? The answer is UN Office on Drugs and Crimes. India is to collaborate with which country for COVID-19 vaccine test? The answer is USA. Who has won Alexander Graham Award 2019 awarded by United Kingdom? The answer is Vice Admiral Vinay Bhadwar. Which ministry has launched a mobile application called National Test Abhyas? The answer is Development. Which railway zone developed robot railboat to assist railway doctors? The answer is South Central Railway. Which biotechnology company has successfully tested its experimental vaccine for COVID-19? The answer is Moderna. Friends, if you like my video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.